Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the new affiliate manager inside of GoHighLevel. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you are in the right sub account. Then you want to come over to marketing down here. And then over here on the right, you're going to see the affiliate manager tab. You're going to go ahead and click campaign first because in order to create an affiliate, you need to have an active campaign. So we're just going to go ahead and click the add button. So once you're in the campaign details, it's going to have you create a campaign name, the referral lead sign up link. So you can go ahead and select funnels or websites, and then it's going to show you all the ones you have in here. And then you want to put a commission type, you can select from default or product based. And if you want to add a description, you can. And if you want to add a product as well, if you have a different type of product that you want to have affiliated for, then the payout you can select if you want to do every 15 days, 30 days, or 60 days for your affiliate. And then you can choose whether they get a percentage or a flat commission, and you can change the percentage right here. You can also do a second tier type of commission as well. And then they also have a email template they can follow, and you can adjust the cookie life on your referral link. And one thing to make note of, whichever funnel or website you select, make sure it has a domain attached to it in order for you to be able to create the campaign. So I went ahead and switched sub accounts real quick. And then now we can go ahead and click save campaign, but for me it says update. Cool, so now we have the campaign created. We can go ahead and create an affiliate for this. So we already have one here, but we're gonna go ahead and click the add button. You can also upload one if you had one before, but we're just gonna go ahead and click new affiliate. So once you're in here, it's gonna have you fill out the email, first name, last name, company name, and also the campaign. That is why we just went ahead and created a campaign, because you cannot create an affiliate without a campaign. So we're just gonna go ahead and click save and continue. And then here you can also add the website name, phone number, company phone number, VAT ID, the country they're in, address, avatar image URL. You can also add a W8 form and a W9 form. And then this little drop down, you can add their social media links. And in advanced settings, you can also go ahead and create a referral ID for your affiliate. And if you want to, you can also add a special coupon for them. And then we can just go ahead and click done and just click done. And now that magic link is created, and you can go ahead and click copy on the actual link, and then you can log into the portal. So I hope you found this video useful now that you know how to use the new affiliate manager inside of GoHighLevel.